Cinderella, the Maiden's Hardship, Part 1. Once there lived a rich man whose wife was sick. And when she felt her end drawing near, she called her only daughter Cinderella to come close to her bed. "Dear child, when I'm gone, be good and pious, and God will always take care of you, and I will look down upon you from the heaven and will be with you." And she closed her eyes and died. The maiden went every day to her mother's grave and cried. Cinderella's father used to travel a lot for work. He decided to remarry so that he could get someone to take care of Cinderella. He got married to a widow who had 2 young daughters. Cinderella lived with her wicked stepmother and 2 unkind stepsisters. They treated Cinderella very badly. She grew up being their servant, doing all the house chores. One day, Cinderella was sweeping the floor. Her 2 sisters were sitting on the sofa and greedily eating fruits. After eating, one of the sisters threw the peels on the floor. The stepmother came into the drawing room and saw the unclean floor. "Cinderella, clean the floor neatly, you lazy girl. Can't you do a single thing properly?" "Yes, mother, I will do it now. Sorry." Cinderella was made to cook and do the dishes. "Can I get some food to eat, mother? You can eat the leftovers after we finish." Cinderella wept sorrowfully. "Don't start this drama again. Go and clean the dishes first." Cinderella picked up all the dishes and cleaned them. She was made to sleep in the attic. Every night she cried and slept in hunger. Looking at Cinderella, the little rats and the bird felt bad for her and became friends with her. One day, the king decided to have a big party. The king wanted his son to choose one of the pretty girls to marry. The king sent an invite to all the young maidens for a grand ball at his palace. "The people of the kingdom, I have a message for you from the king. Everyone is invited to the grand ball on Saturday of the coming week. He will choose a princess for the prince on the occasion." Everyone was happy and jumped with joy. Cinderella was also very happy and excited. Cinderella's sisters, preparing themselves for the ball with a great hustle and bustle. "Come on, girls, start preparing for the ball. I want the prince to marry either of you, and you, Cinderella, help both of them to prepare. My girls should look like princesses. One of them is going to marry the prince soon." "Oh, mother, the prince will marry me. Cinderella, fix my hair and help me get dressed. No, Cinderella, come here first. I will marry the prince." Cinderella was very kind. She helped both her sisters. "I wish I could go there too. Can I ... too? I really want to see the palace and attend the ball." "No way. Look at yourself. You don't even have a dress to wear. Everyone will just laugh at you and we will have to face embarrassment. How dare you even ask such a question?" The sisters and mother left for the grand ball. Cinderella was left alone crying.